So let's talk about what we are calling the $100 million ARR club in 24 months. Historically, reaching 100 million in annual recurring revenue, especially in SaaS products, took 7 to 10 years, even for the best companies in the world. It required a disciplined combination of product market fit, enterprise sales, multiple funding rounds, and patient scaling. But now, with AI native startups, we are seeing a complete rewrite of that timeline. For example, let's look at Cursor, launched in 2022 and already tracking over 200 million in ARR. And then there is Lovable, the fastest growing tech startup from Europe, still in early days, but already at $50 million. This is not just a fluke. These companies share a new go to market DNA. They're not just building traditional SaaS products wrapped in AI marketing. Rather, they are designing AI native tools where the product experience itself is powered by artificial intelligence and continuously improved through usage data and feedback loops. But what really sets them apart is how they go to market. So let's look at three things. They skipped the traditional sales motion altogether. So there's no enterprise SDR army. They led with frictionless self serve onboarding. So credit card in and value out. And the third is that they built in public, leaning on a community platforms like Discord, Reddit, and LinkedIn, not gated enterprise demos or old school lead funnels. So, what used to take three sales cycles and a customer success team to implement can now be achieved by a user clicking a link, testing the product, and upgrading, often within minutes. So, in other words, this is a completely new velocity model. AI is not just changing the product, but it's changing the economics of scale. So if you're advising a growth stage SaaS startup, still hiring 30 VDRs to chase cold leads, or if your go-to-market motion still relies heavily on outbound plus field sales, it might be time to ask, what would your model look like if it were rebuilt from scratch today with AI native foundations? Because the companies scaling fastest right now are not iterating on the old go to market playbook. They have left it behind entirely.